So for the power rule to work, what has to happen is that we make it look like x to a number. So the first one looks like x to a number. So part A, for the integral of x to the 6th dx, what's our n? 6. So according to the power rule, it would be 1 over 6 plus 1 x to the 6 plus 1 plus c. So over in that formula, whatever your n is, that's what you're putting in. Excuse me, whatever number you have for n, just put it in for n in the formula. What is 6 plus 1, class? 7. So this is 1/7 x to the plus c. And again, you can check if you differentiated the answer. 7 times 1/7 is 1, and take 1 off the exponent. And the derivative of a constant is 0, so notice you just get x to the 6th. B, the integral of the cube root of x. Well, again, we need to write it as x to a power. The cube root is x to what power? 1/3. Notice, I did not integrate yet, so I still have that integral symbol with the dx. Just like before, if you were rewriting your function, you don't write f prime yet. You just still write f of x. So what's our n here? 1/3. So we'll have 1 over 1/3 plus 1, x to the 1/3 plus 1. And don't forget your arbitrary constant plus c. Fractions! What is 1/3 plus 1? 4/3. So this says the reciprocal of 4/3. 3/4. So that coefficient is 3/4 x to the 4/3 plus c. So check it, 3/4 times 4/3, those would cancel, just giving you a 1 because they're reciprocals. And if you took 1 off the exponent, 4/3 minus 1 is 1/3, which is the cube root of x. Part C, how would you rewrite using x to a power? X to the -4th, very good. If you would, finish this one up using your power rule. What's the new coefficient? And what's the new exponent? D. How do we rewrite the number 1 as x to a power? X to the, no, because that would just be an x. X to the 0. So your n is just 0. How nice. The reason I'm doing this is not only to stress the 1 equals x to 0, but we're going to see this 1 or just a number there a bunch. So this would be 1 over 0 plus 1, x to the 0 plus 1 plus c, which is the first letter in cough. What is 1 over 0 plus 1? You timed that very well. 1. And what's that exponent? 1. So it's just x. We don't need to write the coefficient or the exponent because they're implied. And what's the derivative of x? 1. Is that okay?